This is a 60-inch Hunter Regalia ceiling fan, which is installed in the living room at my house. Alright, let's get started. Wait, before we turn the fan on, I got you a question. A statement or a question. Unfortunately, I can't show this on 4 speeds. Oh, 3 speeds. The 4-speed controller broke, and the third one, the 3-speed ball chain, is in there. It works on high, medium, and low, but medium is low on the 2nd speed, and low is exactly the 3rd one. And high is still on the 1st one. And unfortunately, I can't show you running all the speeds because there's something wrong. Yep, the pull chain broke off. So I have to show you on 1 speed. That is on the 2nd row. The 1st row. The one that is on medium, that goes on low. Okay, let's turn it on. The light might turn on too. Yep. I'm going to turn the light off. There we go. My favorite fan in this house might be the one in my parents' room, because I filmed that a few weeks ago. Guys, show that. It is the Hunter and Terror ceiling fan that is installed in my parents' room. You guys can watch that or subscribe it or give a thumbs up. I haven't got much subscribers on my YouTube channel. I don't know why, but more views and more thumbs ups. Alright, we are going to turn the fan off. But first, we're going to turn the light back on. Alright, let's turn the fan off. This fan takes a long time for it to slow down. It takes like a few minutes. Okay. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Okay, bye-bye.